Hello everyone. Today we're going to witness deadly roads high in the mountains, where log truck drivers gamble with their lives every single day just to make a living. Let's get started right now. And here's the immediate result of a deadly slope. A truck loaded with logs lost control going downhill and rolled completely onto its side by the roadside. Slippery ground, heavy load. Just one small mistake was enough to turn the trip into a disaster. Luckily, locals arrived in time to help, but not everyone gets that lucky.
Nakuha na ang hanga.
A fatal turn. The container truck couldn't steer through the narrow curve in time and rolled completely onto its side, blocking the entire road. A sharp bend, high speed, and a heavy load, the perfect recipe for an unavoidable accident. Look at that. Logs stacked far beyond the legal length, piled dangerously high, causing the truck's front end to lift straight into the air as it climbs the slope. Locals have to grip a rope tight, straining with all their strength to pull back and balance the massive load of timber. Overloaded, oversized, danger lurking just inches away. Once again, the truck's front end rears up halfway up the slope. 4 people have to join forces, hauling the rope taut to save the truck from tipping over. Behind every load lies countless drops of sweat and hurried meals deep in the forest. This is a brutal trade. Drivers risk their very lives just to put food on the table for their families. A slope as steep as a wall. The truck couldn't hold the weight, tipping backward and spilling its entire load of logs onto the road. Treacherous mountain roads like this are a death pass that every log truck driver faces daily. One moment of carelessness, and the whole shipment pays the price. A horrifying crash. The log truck lost control and plunged straight down into a deep ravine amid the endless acacia forest. The driver stands frozen, watching days of hard work vanish in an instant. This trade means gambling with your life on every road. Yet for the sake of putting food on the table, they keep holding on to the job and the road. Right in the middle of a busy intersection, the container truck took the turn far too fast, lost its balance, tires billowing thick smoke before it rolled over right on the crosswalk. Just 1 second of losing control over speed, and the outcome could be tragic for both the driver and everyone else on the road nearby. A single, precarious road perched between towering cliffs. Two trucks face off on a narrow stretch with barely enough room to pass, a sheer rock wall on one side and a bottomless drop on the other. Every inch the wheels inch forward is a life-or-death gamble the drivers have to take.
Heavy driver.
A violent flash flood surges straight across the road, carrying muddy debris and rocks with it. The passenger bus still dares to push through the sudden torrent. If the engine stalls in that raging current, the consequences would be unthinkable. Flood season, the terrifying nightmare of every driver on mountain roads. It's not just trucks. Even massive construction machines have to risk crossing rivers. This excavator wades through the murky water with no bridge in sight, forcing the operator to gamble against the strong current. In remote mountain regions, every river can become a life-or-death challenge. To carve out these trails through the forest, bulldozers have to strain hard, knocking down tree after tree and leveling patches of earth on steep, treacherous slopes. Building roads deep in the mountains and forests is never easy. It's dangerous and grueling work, yet it's the lifeline connecting remote villages to the outside world.
Eles estão usando um resgate bruto aí, menino.
Through the footage you've just seen, you've probably gotten a real sense of just how hard and dangerous the log hauling trade is in these mountain regions. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on more exciting videos coming up. See you next time.
Você tá doido, motor?